How to add a rounded rectangle in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a rounded rectangle in Figma, perfect for buttons, cards or UI components. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. After that, click on the rectangle tool from the toolbar or simply press R on your keyboard. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your rectangle. To make it rounded, go to right hand panel and find the corner radius option. Then type in the radius value you want, for example 8 or 16. And watch the corners curve smoothly. Want to round only some corners, click the little independent corner icon, then enter the value for each corner separately. Now style your rounded rectangle with colors, strokes or even shadows using the options on the right hand panel. And that's it. This is how you add a rounded rectangle in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.